Hi, I'm Wes, and today in the Slumberyard we're reviewing the Plank Hybrid mattress. Now, Plank Hybrid is a brand owned by Brooklyn Bedding, and the whole Plank sensation actually started with the original Plank mattress, which is an all-foam bed, but they recently added pocketed coils to this guy and turned it into a hybrid. So in this video, I'm going to review everything about this bed, starting with the policies, what it's going to come with if you decide to order it. Next, I'll talk about construction, what is this bed made of? Then we'll move on to feel, firmness, of course, a couple things that couples might consider if they happen to be sharing the bed. We'll talk about price, and at the end, I'll try to have a final verdict and answer the question, who is the new Plank Hybrid bed best for? If you like this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up, but without further ado, let's get into the Plank Hybrid review.
Boom, 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 boom. Let's talk about beds. Let's talk about beds. Let's talk about beds. Let's talk about beds.
Now, I should mention that Plank is a double-sided firm bed that is, of course, now a hybrid, but if you need any more information that this video doesn't cover, check down below in the description for our full written review of this bed. But it's now time to talk about policies. What is this bed going to come with if you do decide to order it? And before I tell you, I just want to say that Plank and Brooklyn Bedding, as the brand, sent us this bed for free to review, but you're going to receive the following policies, and it all starts with completely free shipping. The Plank Hybrid mattress will show up in about a 4-foot tall box, and I like to tell JD it's about the size of a big cat, but he doesn't get that. I don't think he's ever been to a zoo. But once you get the bed, you just bring it into your house, rip off all the packaging, and then just let it expand onto your foundation.
It's not the size of a cat, Wes, okay?
A big cat, a medium cat. Pretty big cat. Once you start tearing off the packaging, the bed will start to expand right in front of your eyes. And with the Plank Hybrid mattress, you won't really have to wait around too long until it gets to its true firmness because of those pocketed coils. But once the mattress is in your possession, you get a 120-night sleep trial to try the bed in your own home and decide if this is the bed that you want to keep for the foreseeable future. If you don't like this bed for any reason, you can get completely free returns, but hopefully you do like this bed, and if so, it's backed by the standard 10-year warranty. If you need any more information about this warranty or any of the other policies, check down below in the description. We'll try to have some helpful information down there. But let's get on to the construction of this bed, and if you're someone that likes American-made products, you'll like the fact that this bed is in fact made in the United States, more specifically Phoenix, Arizona. Now, it's important for me to note that Plank Hybrid is a hybrid flippable mattress, so we're going to address the construction of the bed from the top down, starting with the extra firm side. It all begins with the optional cooling panel, and we actually got it on our version of the bed, and you can kind of notice it being slightly cooled to the touch, so it is nice to have that if you are a hot sleeper. Next, there is a layer of comfort foam, then support foam, then pocketed coils, and then you get on to the firm side with more support foam, some Titan Flex comfort foam, and rounding it all out on the bottom is a quilted cover. Again, it'll have that cooling panel if you do decide to order it with that. Now, I mentioned before, this bed is based on the all-foam Plank model, but a cool thing to note is the beds are actually priced the exact same, so you can go with either the hybrid or the all-foam version and pay the same. In terms of feel, this all adds up to give the Plank Hybrid a firm neutral foam feel. The flatter sleep surface of the bed is intended to create a more neutral spine position that's supposed to be better for your back and posture while you sleep. But overall, the Plank Hybrid is just a neutral foam bed that'll be on the firmer end of the spectrum. And you might be wondering what kind of sleepers will like this bed. That all depends on what type of firmness you like. Again, Plank Hybrid is flippable, so you get 2 tries at getting the right firmness for you. The firm side sits right between a medium to a medium firm, and the extra firm side is somewhere between a medium firm to a firm on our firmness scale, meaning it'll work primarily for back and stomach sleepers who are looking for an ultra firm mattress. We did happen to notice that since this bed does use pocketed coils, it is just the slightest bit softer than the original all-foam Plank mattress, but the Plank Hybrid is still an extra firm bed that'll be perfect for most back and stomach sleepers. Again, firmness is a subjective thing. So if you're a smaller individual, you might find a bed to be firmer, and if you're a heavier person, you might find a bed to be softer. Just keep that in mind when you're making your mattress decisions. I should briefly mention our monthly mattress giveaway club. Every single month we give away a queen size bed, and if you want to become eligible or find out how to become eligible, check down below in the description for all that information. But let's get back into the plank hybrid review and talk about a couple things that couples might want to consider if they happen to be sharing the bed. The first one being edge support. And since this bed is a very firm bed, we see there being absolutely no problems with the edge support. If you like to sleep really close to the edge, you'll be just fine since the bed is so firm and supportive. Moving on to motion isolation, we would say that the plank hybrid also performs well in this category. So if your partner tosses and turns throughout the night, you probably won't wake up just from the reverberations of the bed. Now I should mention the price of this bed. What are you gonna end up paying for it? And before I do, I just wanna say that mattress brands change their pricing all the time. So check down below in the description to see what is current and to also see if we can happen to find any discounts for you to save some money on this bed. But at the time of me recording this video, the plank hybrid mattress retails for around $1,150 for a queen size. This is without that cooling panel, so if you do decide to add it, it'll cost you a little bit more. We should be able to save you some money on this bed. After discount, you should expect to pay somewhere in the $850 range, which is a great deal for a bed of this quality that's also flippable. But those are all the main factors to consider for the plank hybrid mattress, and you probably want my final verdict. Who is this bed best for? Who should get this bed? And should you get this bed? Well, remember, I don't know you, but I would definitely recommend going with the plank hybrid mattress. If you're a back or stomach sleeper looking for a truly firm mattress, you want a choice at 2 different firmnesses. You want a bed that has a hybrid construction with a neutral foam feel, and that optional cooling panel is something that intrigues you. But that's all I have for you today about the plank hybrid mattress. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to write us in the comments. And if you want to learn more about this bed and see our full written review, check down below in the description. We'll have that linked for you, along with those coupon codes to save you some money if you do happen to go with this bed. If you liked the video, feel free to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for all the plank mattress coverage. And for the rest of the Slumberyard team, my name is Wes, wishing you a good night's sleep.